Hello friends, in this video we will guide you on how to restart a start menu in Windows 10. If on your Windows 10 machine a start menu is not working properly, you can restart the start menu so that it will start working again as usual. For that, you have three methods that you can see on the screen. First one is Task Manager, next one is Command Prompt, and last one is Windows PowerShell. So first we will go with Task Manager option. You can open Task Manager on your, and you should also note that these all commands you can copy from this video description. Let me start again. So first I will start with Task Manager option. You can open Task Manager using Ctrl Shift Escape key if you prefer to keyboard, or you can right click on the taskbar and select here Task Manager. This will also open Task Manager. Here you need to go on Processes tab, then search for a start, then right click and select in task. It will automatically stop a start menu and then will start a start menu. In case you don't see a start menu is working, then you need to click on File menu and select here Run New Task. Then copy and paste the first command and press OK to start the start menu. Next one method is Command Prompt. For that, I have two commands. First one, this one command will stop a start menu, and next one, this one command will start your start menu. So let me show you how to do. Click on start, type cmd, click on command prompt, copy and paste first command, press enter. This will kill a start menu. Then copy next one command, paste it here and press enter on the keyboard. This will start your start menu of Windows 10 machine. Last one method is PowerShell. For that, click on start, type here PowerShell, click on Windows PowerShell, copy and paste the command, and this will stop and again restart a start menu on your PC. I hope this will fix Windows 10 start menu. Thank you. See you in the next video.